Got here a couple next torch flashlights, 700 lumens and 1000 lumens parking flashlights. Huge thanks to Next Torch for sending it to me to do an honest review. Okay, first of all, we have right here transparent flashlight, and looks like a little LED lights over here too. Okay, there's a clip. Ooh, perfect. So could be a keychain flashlight as big as my pinky, a finger. Okay, there's a light. Very bright. Wow. So this is just flashing mode on this second button, and then multiple modes. 1, 2, 3, and stay to flashing mode. There's a little dot. Okay, how do we activate this light? Okay, press and hold this button. We have right here, looks like black light, red light, flashing red light, brighter. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Okay, that's awesome. Very bright flashlight. The camera overexposing. That's a really good option for a little keychain pocket flashlight. Love it. Flat right here. Love that design. That's an amazing LED flashlight. This one is TA20 1000 lumen chargers. Okay. This is a perfect little pocket flashlight. Not a bigger than my hand, fits perfect. So feels really solid, high quality flashlight. Nice LED clip. Let's see, this is tuck, duty, lock. Interesting. So it's a clicking noises right here. Wow. Okay, there's probably like a safety on the battery. Usually all the flashlights have a little plastic on the battery. 800 mAh rechargeable battery, USB-C. That's nice. Okay, it's locked right now. Duty. That is very bright. Wow. It has a circle and wider circle. Darker and darker and flashing. So 4 modes. Very easy to click on it. Okay, tuck. Tuck is go straight to this super flashy mode. And very bright. Love it. Ooh, that's cool. So press and press it and hold. It will shut off automatically. Press. Quick press. It will change to the modes. And lock. So that way it doesn't waste batteries. Doesn't press by mistake. That is awesome. Press and hold and off. Ooh, there is another option. Press, hold and let go. And it will automatically shut off. That is an amazing versatile flashlight. Lock to turn it off. Interesting. Let's start to remove this. Okay. There's a little lock. Then this goes back on. Wow, that is a really cool attachment. There's instructions how it could be used. I kind of like it this way. Just multiple way of holding it. Very unique. Tough build, scraper and utility knife. So let's open it up. Zip tie. Okay, now slide this out. So the way it works, there's a button and then push it all the way out. Regular utility knife. Push it one more time. There's a scraper. Utility blade scraper. And push it one more time. And then press it and push it away. So one more time. Scraper. Regular. Push it, put it away. Just a little bit. Push it all the way to reset it. And then if it's not pushed, right here I won't push forward. It's like a push and push forward and all the way push here to reset it. That is cool. And right here is a can opener, like oil cans. Very nice. Very hefty. Feels like really durable. So how do we replace the blade? Okay, to replace the blade, simply push right here and it comes off, and it comes with this different shape utility blade, so that's good. Comes with some replaceable ones. Looking for one of these. Awesome. I love it how easy it is to replace it too. Boom. Flip it over. Lock it in. Helix garlic press. So it's a twist garlic press by, there's a bend, comes off all the way, and there's a dot, goes into here, a little bit more than halfway, goes like this, match up the dots and press the garlic. That is cool. This is what it's going to look like. Do we have to peel the garlic? Yes, it looks like it's been peeled garlic. So let's peel some garlic and press it. Let's see how well it's going to do. Okay, let's see what it does. I'm gonna do 1, 2, maybe 3 cloves, because the capacity of them pretty high. Ooh, wow, that is quite nice. Okay, I use a knife to scrape it off. Beautiful. Okay, let's see what it looks like inside. Wow, it did really well. That's awesome. So let's put 2 more. Very good. Scrape it off all the way. Wow, scrape off so well. Beautiful. And 1 more. That's a lot of garlic. It's so easy to use with 2 hands instead of pressing it with just fingers. I use 2 hands, so lots of leverage to press garlic. Okay, cleaning part. Let's see how it does. Okay. And now all I have to do is rinse it off. It'll be all clean, but it was really easy to take off this excess stuff that you don't go through. Very fine garlic. I love it. Next I got right here super popular mug, a traveling mug, Travel Queen Chair. This is the name of it, and it holds cold for 11 hours, 2 days iced. Wow, that's a long time. And 7 hours hot. This cup sells out very fast on Amazon. So let's take it off. And so what it is there's a little straw, or it can be removed and twisted and become a regular sippy cup. So twist this out. There's a little holder. So there's a screw on, insulated mug. Then twist this way and then twist it to lock it to where it's spill proof. Let's see how well it locks. Oh, nice. So keeps it cooler, then twist it open, becomes sippy, and then twist it for the straw. That is awesome. So 3 different ways to do it: a straw, a sippy cup, and locked, so the ice doesn't melt. Very big, will fit a stroller cup holders or even a car cup holders pretty easy. 40 ounces mug. The legendary classic bottle by Stanley. It's like insulated bottle. So what's to know about it? 20 hours keeps it hot, 24 hours keeps it cold, and 4 days keeps ice in it. That's amazing. So opens up this way. I really like this logo. As a little glue, comes off super easy. Okay. There's a twist off cap on top of it. I love it. So now I have right here hot or cold drink. Comes with the little cup. Boom. So nice. It's perfect for camping, for lunch, or for picnicking. Just bring some hot tea, hot coffee, ice lemonade. Will keep it really cool for 4 days and hot for 20 hours. Love it. Like that color too.